TANGO line forex indicator applies a very simple technique to produce trend-following trading signals for its users. It accumulates past 20 period of price data, applies its specialized calculation method, and converts them into both trend and trade signals for its users. Besides, this indicator also demonstrates the possible stop levels for your open trade positions. TANGO line forex indicator suits with all sorts of available forex currency pairs around the financial markets. Moreover, this indicator can be applied to trade in all kinds of timeframe charts within the Forex MT4 trading platform. The indicator is combined with one TANGO line and two stop levels surrounding the main indicator slope. TANGO line plays the main role to identify the trend in the trade just as moving averages. Price closing above the TANGO line means the trend is bullish and closing below the line signals for the bearish trend of the market. For long positions, the lower band works as the stop level, which means price breaks below the lower band as a direct signal for the exit of long entries. For short entries, the upper band plays the stop level part. Both these levels are dynamic and allow you to change or update your stop position based on the change in price actions. The TANGO line indicator for MT4 works like the Bollinger Band and simple moving average. After setting the indicator in the chart, you will notice the upper and lower band. Right in the middle, you will notice a pink curve, TANGO line, and this acts like the reversal curve. Pro investors rely on this curve and execute quality trades. Those who know the perfect way to trade the band indicator will have added advantage in using the TANGO line indicator for MT4. Learning the details of the TANGO line indicator for MT4 is easy. The upper barrier or band acts as a resistance zone. On the contrary, the lower barrier or band acts as a strong demand zone. You need to look for short trades set up at the upper band and execute long orders in lower band. But to improve your accuracy, you should use the TANGO line or the pink curve. Those who are getting confused by analyzing the featured image has nothing to worry. Read this article and you will learn to use the TANGO line indicator for MT4. TANGO line or pink curve. The TANGO or pink curve is of enormous importance in real-life trading. If the price trades above the TANGO line, consider the bulls are driving the price. On the contrary, if the price trades below the TANGO line, you should consider sellers are in power. But it is not enough to secure quality trade execution. You need to look for the crossover of the candlestick at the TANGO line. If the price closes below the TANGO line, look for selling opportunity. On the other hand, execute long order when the price cross above the pink curve. Smart trade execution. You have to be smart with your trade execution to make a consistent profit. The naive traders often fail to use the TANGO line indicator for MT4 in a precise way. Without having precision in trading, a certain individual can't make a profit. So, how do we execute the trade with a high level of accuracy? To understand the use of the TANGO line indicator for MT4, you have to look at a real trade setup. Those who use the Bollinger Band indicator might consider it considered as a modified indicator. But in reality, it works much better. The Bollinger Band indicator. Right at the upper band of the TANGO line indicator for MT4, you can notice multiple rejections of price. We have a bearish pin bar which strongly suggests the selling pressure will increase shortly. But this is not the right indicator to execute short order. Wait for a decent drop in the price below the pink or TANGO line. Once this condition is filled, short the pair to make a decent profit. Managing the losing trades. The TANGO line indicator for MT4 is a powerful tool to find quality trades. But does this mean you will always win trade? The obvious answer is no. To establish yourself in the trading industry, you need to be prepared for the bad condition. You can't determine the losing orders. Always use protective stops since it is the only way to limit risk exposure. Though the TANGO line indicator for MT4 helps to find quality trades, you need to limit the risk in every possible way. For instance, stop taking more than 3 to 4% risk in any trade. Learn about the conservative method since it will protect your capital. Being an aggressive trader, you will never succeed in trading. Forget about scalping or day trading method and become a position trader. Using Fibonacci retracement.